My name is Rob, but my real name is Robert, but my family's always called me Rob. So I've been thinking about a story, and I just recently thought about when I was trying to build a birdhouse. So we had a large yard. It was green, it was trees, it was flowers all around. Spring, it was very beautiful. So one day, I saw a bird flying around. I thought, I always see it just flying around. So later I thought about it. The bird needed a house. So I decided I was going to make one. Got some paper, drew on it. When I finished that, I went to a Home Depot, like a home store, to get whatever I needed to build it, like a wood or whatever I needed to build the birdhouse. If I needed like a pine wood, a plywood, or pine, so whatever type of wood that I needed, brought that home, drew on it, sawed, around the shape of the house. So then I got some sandpaper and kind of smoothed it out so it wouldn't hurt the bird. And then I nailed on each side the top of the house and went all around. It was a nice size, and I was pretty proud of myself when I finished. But it was something awkward about it, something missing. And then I thought about it. Oh, it was a goofy. I made a goofy. I did not have a hole. How was the bird going to get inside the house if I didn't have a hole? So I didn't think of that. So then I cut out the hole, and it depended on how big the bird was. The type of bird. Cardinal. The bird, the red. Okay, so the cardinal bird, or if it was a blue jay, they're smaller, or whether or not they was big. So it just really depended on the size of the bird for them to be able to get in. So when the bird flew inside the house, I measured. When the bird flew over there, I just measured the size of the bird. So I got some towels. Twigs. And some leaves. And I was going to make a nest for the bird. So I got all that together, and I was proud that I made this little nest so the bird could have a little family. So the bird flew around, and then it saw the nest, and you can see that it kind of got a little excited, and they both went into the house together. Oh, the female bird was proud of the house, and the male bird the female and the male bird, they started a little family. So later, I see 3 eggs. The female bird was sitting on it, keeping the eggs warm. And then I hear 3 little birds chirping after they hatch. So then I brought them food. And then eventually they started to flap their wings And they got bigger and then they flew away. And I was just happy for them.